In this video, we'll walk you through the simple steps to hide likes on Instagram on both iPhone and Android devices. We're going to show you how you can hide likes on your own Instagram posts which you share so that other people won't be able to see how many likes your posts get. And we will also show you how you can hide the like count on posts from other people that you see on your Instagram home feed. It's pretty simple, and let's start right away. Let's hide the like count on our own Instagram posts. You want to find and open the post. For example, I'll hide the likes for this specific photo which I've posted. You can see that this has around 269 likes, but I can just tap on the three dots at the top right corner here, and then this menu will show up where you can see a bunch of options related to this post. Click on this Hide Like Count option, and you can see that we don't see the number of likes on this post anymore. When other people open this post, they won't be able to tell how many likes your post has. But what if you don't want to see the number of likes on other people's posts in the feed? Well, that's pretty simple too. Just navigate over to your Instagram profile and then tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of the screen. This is going to open our settings and privacy menu in the Instagram app. And from here, we will scroll down and find this like and share counts and just enable this toggle right here. When I now go over to my home feed and view different posts, you can see that I can't see the number of likes which they have. But that's essentially how we can hide likes on Instagram. If you have more questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments down below, and I'll see you in the next video.